Yeah.
The GP will see.
Turn to that emo rap. Ain't no kilo stash. Augusta's son had to reload that. Daddy gone, but his legacy strong. How do you figure? I too thought I'd be dead, all things considered, but I'm living, thriving and growing, fighting opponents that I'm with it. Striving to know who died for the lowest, don't you get it? The industry hope is trying to control us, I ain't with it. With my wife and my baby, what I'm writing is weighty. Call me Esso or Bebenberg, they knighting me lately. Stand where the light is, feeling lighter, delighted, and maybe I'm getting grown. Nothing wrong with
What's going on, man?
I open up the text, got my mind closer off the edge. Goes the architect, I ain't gotta go to your connect, I gotta go direct. Him and I, through the sun up. I say him and I, bless up, rest. Has the right perspective. Back when I was driving a Vectra, my mind was on the setup and ease. No time for the let up and breeze. Young man with a vision, my ammunition was let off and squeezed. Talking no about it, so exotic. Go to mile, never hold a product. Though we wildin', we was on the island wave. Fast forward now today, thank God my mama prayed.
2021 quarantine. I mean, what else can I say? So I made this little video just to kind of showcase the 2021 working routine. We wake up in the morning, we sit at home, and we walk around looking like bums, and we repeat, you know? So I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all, can relate to this lifestyle. So I just wanted to kind of make a little parody of it, and I hope you'll like it. So until next time again.
Talking to my auntie. I'm not letting mommy do her laundry folding.